Hello my sewing friends, we are ready to demonstrate the brother top of the line tomorrow Saturday. Come visit us. Right now I'll show you around all the machines which we have in the store. We'll start with our mechanical machines. So these are our mechanical machines, and then we go to all the digital machines. So this is the digital baby lock brother, and good prices in the store. And there's the digital, the PQ1, and then 8.5 space in brother, Elna, and then we have the sewing machine and embroidery machines. They are called combos. We have an Elna here, and come check it out. This is 860. That's a lyric at $14.99. and we have the brother, and brother same as all lined up. Now I'll take you to our serger lineup. So this is sergers here, starting from the top at $3.89. Good basic workhorse machine, brother, and then we have the baby lock vibrant, Elna air threading at $5.49. Elna. Then we come down to the air thread brother, air thread celebrate, and then we have the victory. Then we have the 55th anniversary one, and then we have the acclaim. Our next machines here on this side is all the cover stitch, Euphoria, the best machine, my best machine. Then we have the cover max and brother double cover stitch. Also we have the upload coming in next week, and we're going to do a open house on it. There's a combo machine, $8.50 in Elna, embroidery and sewing machine, DSC 2000, and then we have the Bloom, very good prices in the store. And then we have the flare, and there's the flare. Come check it out. We have more machines in the boxes. You can visit us anytime. You can check our hours on Google. All set up. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.